Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping integration so you can remove Git safely. First, open the command palette and go to Extensions. Locate the built-in Git extension and disable it. This halts VS Code's hooks. Once done, open the integrated terminal and run Git version to see which Git binary is active and where it lives. Make sure to note that path, because you will remove or replace that binary. And disabling the extension first avoids VS Code auto-detecting a change mid-process. Next, remove the Git software that VS Code detects. On Windows, use Programs and Features to uninstall, or on Mac OS, use brew uninstall Git, and on Linux, use apt/yum remove Git. After uninstalling, delete or edit global config files like %userprofile %backslash, gitconfig, or /. Gitconfig if you no longer want settings, and remove SSH keys only if you understand the consequences. Then, edit your path to remove any Git directories, and restart your shell. To finish, restart VS Code and check the source control view. You should see no providers registered. Then run Git version in a new terminal. If removal succeeded, you'll get a command not found or equivalent message. If VS Code still shows Git, make sure no workspace has a Git folder, recheck your path for leftover entries, and ensure the built-in Git extension remains disabled or uninstalled. If problems persist, reopen Settings, search Git path, and remove any hard-coded locations as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.